Lawrence, Mac 2018, you've got another fantastic stand. How have you found it? Have you had a good show?
Yes, very good so far. I think the quality of the customers has been very high so far.
Lawrence, today I just want to touch on the importance of Swarf Management Systems. You've got Swarf Management Systems on pretty much most of your machines, and in particular Cromar.
Swarf Management Systems are very important to the process that we deliver to our customers. So whether it's relating to chip control or for tool life reasons or indeed for surface finish, we'll be using good swarf management. Once we've created the swarf, there is a need to evacuate the swarf from the machine in a very controlled manner, and clearly we rely on that equipment to provide that.
And also in regards to, a lot of customers now are looking to run 24/7. You've got some of the machines that are able to do that now, and it's all about productivity. How big of a role does the Swarf Management Systems play in this?
Well, clearly the process has got to be correct to run 24 hours unmanned, as you suggest, but the coolant filtration system has got to be up to the job. It's got to be able to deliver reliably.
And then with the tooling as well, with the high coolant pressure, again, to run at the right speeds and feeds and to get optimal results, is this important?
Definitely, definitely, yes. You know, the delivery of the coolant to the tool is imperative.
And just to wrap up really, what's the service and support like from Cromar?
First class, yeah.